How to clean in rainy days. The conventional wisdom is that rain can clean photovoltaic panels, and it is true. But it is certainly not enough. Photovoltaic panel cleaning needs depend on three factors: pollution, irradiation, installation tilt. The greater the pollution, the greater the power generation loss, and the greater the need for cleaning. The greater the irradiation, the greater the benefit of cleaning and the greater the need for cleaning. The smaller the installation tilt. The less dust falls naturally with rain and wind, the more the need for cleaning. In urban photovoltaic plants, heavy rain erosion can strip about 90% of the fly dust on the surface of the panels, and 12% of the deposited dust. About 80% of the fly dust and 11% of the deposited dust, with the water flow to the border, of which 10% of the fly dust and 1% of the deposited dust retention at the border. The rest of the flow to the ground. Therefore, about 20% of the fly dust and 89% of the deposited dust remain on the panels after the rainstorm. The dust accumulated at the border accounts for 11%, which is easy to produce hot spots at high temperatures and burn the cells. The deposited dust, which cannot be removed by heavy rains, like a film occupying about 90% of the surface area of the panels, and continues to make about half of the power generation loss. So the storm is no substitute for proper cleaning. This video shows that fine cleaner is the right way to clean on rainy days. 98% of the deposited dust is stripped from the panels and pushed to the ground by applying the appropriate shear force to the deposited dust, with the appropriate downforce, moving speed, and rolling speed with fine cleaner as rolling brush. At this time, fine cleaner does not need to connect the water pipe in a completely autonomous state. Save water and human resource, can be close to perfect cleaning. Viewers can ask a question: can a remote control device do this? The answer is that of course no, because the remote operator's vision is severely limited in rainy days, and it is impossible to operate the device.